Verb to be in English. Ser o estar. El verbo to be se utiliza luego de un pronombre personal. Los pronombres personales en inglés son singular pronouns, I, you, he, she, it. Plural pronouns, we, they, you. El verbo to be en tiempo presente corresponde a am, is, are. Para utilizar el verbo to be en forma afirmativa debemos combinarlo de la siguiente forma. I am. I am. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. She is. It is. It is. We are. We are. They are. They are. You are. You are. Para los pronombres plurales siempre utilizaremos el are. Examples: I am a good student. You are very serious. He is a pilot. She is a smart girl. It is a sunny day. We are members of the club. They are cousins. You are old friends. Si quieres usar el verbo to be en forma negativa, debemos agregar el not luego del verbo to be. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. It is not. We are not. They are not. You are not. These are some examples. I am not a good student. You are not very serious. He is not a pilot. She is not a smart girl. It is not a sunny day. We are not members of the club. They are not cousins. You are not old friends. Para convertir las oraciones afirmativas a preguntas, se utiliza la siguiente forma. Verb to be plus subject plus rest of the sentence. For example, I am a good student. Are you very serious? Is he a pilot? Is she a smart girl? Is it a sunny day? Are we members of the club? Are they cousins? Are they old friends? Let's summary the verb to be content. I am. I am not. Am I? You are. You are not. Are you? He is. He is not. Is he? She is. She is not. Is she? It is. It is not. Is it? We are. We are not. Are we? They are. They are not. Are they? You are. You are not. Are you? Let's practice the verb to be. I, a new student in this school. He, from another world. Is not. You happy in your house? Are. She, my mother, but my older sister. Is not. It, difficult to wake up on cold mornings. Is. We, all part of the global economy. Are. They interested in other languages? Are.